Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to see Nightwatch Hands-on. So first, if you're going to set any hands-on, the first step you have to read the problem statement. Okay, so just give your 5 to 10 minutes to read the problem statement. Okay, and then you can move to the actual code writing. Okay, so if you see here, I could see the problem statement folder. I could see two different files. Okay, so one is for the Selenium that we already know, and here one HTML file is there, which is basically for the Nightwatch instruction. Okay, so right click, open with Google Chrome. So now you can see here, this is a Nightwatch end-to-end testing challenge. Okay, this is written here, and you can see all the information related to the Nightwatch. Okay, this is must. Okay, because I will open one more thing in front of you so that you can know. So you can see here. So they are saying like don't run install.sh. So what happened in last cycle? Many of you have clicked install.sh without knowing it should not be run. So what happened, like you are not able to write a single line of code and you are getting some error. Okay, so you have completed MCQ and then you are sitting here. It's a very big time to like you have spent big time, okay, to come to sit this hands-on, and because of this single wrong command you are not able to give your hands-on properly. So that is bad, right? So anytime when you are sitting in the hands-on, must remember just give 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if you read the problem statement carefully now, so your code will be more efficient. Why I am saying this one? Because if I don't know the problem statement, how I am going to write the code? Okay, so I am just closing this one because this is related to the Selenium and you already know like how to perform Selenium with Cucumber, so there is no point to discussion about this one. No point of discussion. Okay, now only Nightwatch we will see. Okay, parallelly I will open the IDE also. Okay, open this Visual Studio. Yeah, so there are so many dots also, like which IDE should I use, Eclipse or Studio? So see, this is based on your choice. Okay, I know Eclipse also. Okay, for my personal project I am using Eclipse IntelliJ. Okay, but for giving hands-on, okay, Visual Studio is my favorite. I don't know why, because I just started running and writing code here, and that is my favorite. Like in that way, it is my favorite. I don't know, but yeah, I am very comfortable with this Visual Studio. But if you are comfortable with Eclipse, then you can go. Okay, you can go and write your code in the Eclipse part. Okay, but I am not comfortable for this instance. Okay, for this hands-on instance. Okay, so I will open Visual Studio. I will click on this one, open folder, desktop, project, this folder, and I will open. So till now you all are here, right? You know like how to open the folder and all. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, you can close this welcome part, this is not required, but yeah, whatever you are getting as a pop-up, just click on yes. Okay, now go to the problem statement again. Okay, so this is the web URL, you already know this part. Now folder structure, where you have to write the Nightwatch code. Okay, so they are saying you will see the Nightwatch code folder. Okay, Nightwatch code folder. Okay, inside this Nightwatch code folder you will get one folder test, and inside this test you will get these two files. Like you will get many files, but only you will require these two files to write your Nightwatch code. Okay, let's see. Sorry, this one, Nightwatch code. You can see here in the test folder there are so many files, but we required only ftest.js file where we have to write our code, and conf.js where we are going to write our configuration. Okay, ftest.js where we have to write our test cases, and Nightwatch config.js where we have to perform basic Nightwatch configuration. Okay, so what configuration you have to do, you already know. You have to give the src folder name, you have to give the output folder name, and then you have to give the launch URL. So these thing is already taken care here. Like for this instance I am saying, in this one they already taking care, but in the actual exam you might not given this value, so you have to fill this three part. Just remember, source folder inside square bracket inside single quotes you have to give your test folder. So how I will get this test folder? So if you see here, Nightwatch, inside this test we have this ftest.js, right? Inside this test folder, this test is written here. Okay, Now where I have to go to get the report? So you can see here they have given. So the folder name of report should be report. R will be small. Okay. So this is report. Okay. All the things which you have to write here already given into this file, this problem statement. That's why I'm saying again and again, please give your 5 to 10 minutes to read this problem statement. Either it is Selenium or Java, sorry, Selenium or Cucumber, or it's a Nightwatch. Okay, so fine. This is fine. Now you have to give this URL, and URL also you will get from this problem statement, which we have seen just before. Okay. So these three configuration is done. Like once you do the configuration, that is fine. They say like this ensure your run your test run smoothly with correct environment and browser configuration. So till here we have done. Okay, we did. Now objective, what is the objective of this one? Like you have to complete the Nightwatch test case. This is the objective, right? And then you have to run your script using Nightwatch CLI. CLI like command line interface, which you can see here in the terminal we are running like this way only. No need to worry about that much. Okay, fine. Now this is our test cases. Test case 1 and test case 2. We have to do this 2 test cases only. We have to write. Okay, go there. Okay, I will remove this one. Okay. Now in the app test.js we have to write our actual code. Okay, so let's start, guys. So you know like how we are writing our code in Nightwatch.js. Definitely you know. So we have to write module dot exports this one. And what is our test name? So test name will be this one. I am giving full. Okay, let's see. See, I am not sure. Some hidden test case also based on this the test case name, based on the test case name. So either we have to write this one only, or either we have to write this whole test. I am not sure, but yeah, let's write whole as of now. If it is not giving any error, then we will change it. Okay, now function, and inside this one we have to pass browser. We have to pass browser. Okay, now here we will give browser. Okay, and then dot. Okay, now first they saying open the URL. Okay, and wait for page to load completely. Okay, first we have to give the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Just copy the URL name from here itself. Okay, copy the URL from here and paste. Okay, after this one what we have to do? We have to wait for some time. Dot wait for element visible. Okay, wait for element visible. Which element? Body. And we have to give around 5 seconds. What they are saying? They are saying after launching the URL, okay, wait for the page to load completely. We have to wait for the page to load completely. Why I have written this one? I will show you that one as well. Quickly I will show you, okay, because we don't have lots of time. Just go to this one. Okay, Control Shift I. Why I am written browser? Just click here, Control F, and just give body. Now you can see if I given this body when I click enter, so you can see this whole web page is highlighted. Okay, so inside this body all the web element has been written. This currency converter, this frame, either it a frame or not, I'm not sure, but yeah, this text, this drop down, all the things are written inside this body element only. That's why I'm saying wait for element visible. When this body element will be visible, all elements should be visible. Okay, so this is our command. Now enter. Go to this one and okay, and wait for completely. Now select euro from the convert from drop down. Okay, we have to select the euro. Okay, we have to select the euro. Let's see how to select euro. Okay, this is like very tricky. Okay, now here we have to think and write. I'm also not sure like this whatever I am doing is correct or not, but yeah, we will try. So first we will go to the browser. Like how we will convert this one. So first we will click and then we will select, right? We will click and then select. Where we have to click? So we have to click on this particular element. this particular element. Okay, why this is not highlighted? Yeah, particular element given currency, control C, control F, has, and this value. So this is ID. Now you can see this is highlighted. When we written has before this ID, this part is highlighted. So what we will do, we will do like same way. Like we will give dot click, where we have to click this one. Okay. Again, once we click here, what option we have to click? We have to again click, because if you see here, I am clicking here and then again I am clicking here, and I am going somewhere, some value, and clicking the particular value, right? So same way, click for clicking this part, and going down to select some value. So we will write dot click, okay, where, so this value, okay, this value, and we will write option. Okay, why I'm writing option? So if you see carefully, it is given like inside this option tag we have some value. Okay, inside this option tag, okay, sorry, my bad, we have to give hash. Okay, in both places. Okay, first we will try this one. I'm not sure like this is correct or not, but yeah, we will give our best. Hashtag given this one, and inside this option, okay, what value we will select? We will select value equals to EUR, right? Value equals to EUR. Okay, so this is fine. So we have selected the particular value. Euro we have selected here. Okay, euro we have selected from here. Now next one, after selecting euro, inside this one we have to give some value. What value? We have to pass 795. Okay, but this one first we have to clear the value. Okay, so dot clear value. Okay, first we will clear the value. Okay, just give 795 here. I have to give 795, but what is the element? So element is given amount. Okay, control C. So I'm not going to give you this locator again and again. I know you already know how to write this and all, so that's why I'm not like spending much time to show you the locator and all. Okay, so I'm clearing the value first, and after clearing, what I will give? I will give set value dot set value. Okay, A should be small. Set value. Same inside this one. What value we have to send? We have to send 795. Okay, we have to send 795. Okay. Now after this one, again, if you see the problem statement, again we have to select the USD from the second drop down. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy these two lines. I will copy this all four line. Not four, these three, I think that is fine. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, I am copying this again, this three line. Okay, again what we have to do, we have to select dollar. Sorry, Indian rupee to dollar. Dollar. Okay, we have to select dollar from the second drop down. So just to see here, what is the value? So currency to find is the value. Control F, hashtag currency to find. Okay, control C. Okay, go there. So after this one, yeah, we have to the currency to find. Only one hash is enough, and here also currency to find will be there, and value should be dollar. Value should be USD. Just copy this USD. Okay, value should be USD. Okay, value should be USD. Okay, value should be USD. Now after selecting the USD, what they are saying, wait for value to be conversion. So like basically we have to wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, after setting this one we have to wait. So wait like dot pause command we are using for wait. Okay, and like some time, so I am giving this 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. Now now after giving this one, we have to capture the calculated amount from the output text board and assert it. Okay, we have to capture the calculated amount. So what is the amount showing there that we have to capture? So how to capture? So like set value is for giving the value, and get value dot get would be in single value. Yeah, get value is for getting the value. So I am getting the value. Okay, getting value from where? Getting value from where? From from this value. Okay, this box. So this box id is result. Okay, this box id is result. Okay, that is fine. Now I am capturing this id. Okay, and inside this one I am defining one function. I am defining one function and giving some random variable that is result. Okay, giving some random variable that is result. Okay, okay, result. Something left. This one, yeah, one bracket should be there. So, something I missed. Function result. Okay, that is fine. This is not required here. Basically, this is required here. Okay. Now, after getting value, what we will do? What we will do? We will say this dot assert. This dot assert dot okay. Okay. This dot assert dot okay, and then we will see result dot value. Okay, equals to this value or not? Which value? This value or not? Okay, we are asserting the value should be this or not. Okay, okay, okay. So this is fine. Something I missed, I think. Okay, let me. Okay, so get value we have written. Okay, inside this get value. Okay, we are saying result should be the variable. Okay, means id comma function result, and after this one like okay, this one is left. Okay, okay. I think this is fine. I think this is fine. Let's see what this is here. Okay, sorry. This bracket will be after this curly braces. Okay, this is the error which we are getting at that time. And one more to close this one. Okay, so I all like hope I have given all syntax here what they are asking here to do. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's do one thing. Now first we will see the command. So what they are saying, like once you write the code, just write npm test. So this npm test, what it will do, it will execute your test and let you know like if there any error or not. Okay, and in this command sh test.sh, it will show you the test coverage. Okay, and all these two things are present inside the Nightwatch code directly. So what I will do, I will go to terminal, new terminal. Okay, so I have to go to the Nightwatch code cd Nightwatch code. Yeah, I have entered, and I will give npm. Let's see the command npm test. Okay, npm test. So first you have to write npm test. Let's see. So it will execute. So now you can see here, uh, whatever we have written, there is no any issue. I'm not sure what will be the actual output, like all the test cases are passed or not, but yeah, whatever we have written here, so the syntax is correct. Now we will run sh test.sh to see the test coverage, okay, which they have mentioned here, right? So to get the code coverage, okay, not test coverage, they are saying this is especially code coverage. So code coverage we will get from running this command sh test.sh. Okay, so that thing we have done. So now you can see the test coverage is showing 23%, 77% yet to cover, total checks is 70, and 4 we have done, 13 still pending. Okay, so that is fine because we have written only one command. Now, okay, now see, this bracket is closing this one. Okay, I will, why I am right, I will showing you now, because I will tell you. If you see the second command, not this one, yeah, second test case. Okay, yeah, do one thing more, like we have written this one also, no, like let close this one. Okay, what I did now, I just removed this part I have removed, only after colon I have chosen. Let's see, this is also a part of test coverage or not, I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, sh test.sh, before it ran around 23%, and what is the percentage now? 23 only, yeah, that is fine. Because it means like it is not taking whatever value you are taking here. Okay, so that is fine. That is fine. Now, test case 2. Okay, so this test case 2, see, this is not starting from the URL. It means where we have completed this one, we have to go and write from there itself only, because these test cases and these test cases are connected to each other. Okay, so what, how to make it connectivity now, how to make it connected with one? So what we will do, we will give comma here, we will give comma here, no, not here, sorry, my bad, we have to give this comma here before this one, because this is closing the module expert, but module expert only one required, and inside this module dot expert we will write our two test cases. So we will give comma here. Okay, and now we will start our test case from this part. Okay. Again we will write function. Okay, function, inside this one we will write browser. Okay, module expert only we are not writing again. Okay, rest all are same. BROWSER, browser. Okay, enter one tab, and now we will select what value we have to write here. Now let's see, they are saying now refresh the application to ensure a clean state. Refresh. So how to refresh? Dot refresh. Okay, first we have to do the refresh. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is very basic part. Okay, so yeah, that is fine, I hope. Okay, now after refresh, what they are seeing, wait for page to be steady. Again, wait means like we can use pause also. Where is pause? Yeah, this is the pause command. Just give some pause. Sorry, just give some pause. Please. Yeah. After giving some time, again now we will start writing our code. Okay. So what I will do now, I will copy this code again. Okay. We have to click here, and then we have to give some amount. Okay. And also this one is required. This one is required. This one is required. Okay, let's copy till here now. As of now, just copy till here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first one, we have to select Indian rupees. Okay, go there. Okay, Indian rupees, this INR. This is fine. INR. Okay, so first one, like we will give INR. Okay, INR, and what value we will give? 67567. Okay, 67567. 67567. Okay, currency to find, and in which converter we have to use? We have to use euro. Okay, so it should be EUR. I will copy from here. We'll give EUR. Okay, Okay, after giving this one, they are asking something to post. Yeah, again they are asking us to wait for some time, and then we have to capture. So what I will do, I will just copy this part again. Till here I will copy again. Till here I will copy again. Okay, and then this time the value should be this one, 795.02. Okay, and now after this one, after performing this all, they are saying we have to end the session or not. They have written somewhere, no? Input mention the test step, use the exact input. Yeah, we have given this one. Follow the input data and follow the steps. Okay, okay, yeah. And after, what we have to do, we have to end the session. So to end the browser session, we have to give the command as dot end. Okay, dot end. Okay, just give semicolon and save it, and save it. Let's first run npm test so that we will see any error we have or not. Okay, first test case is running, second test case is also running. So I think there are three. That is fine. Is fine. Now run sh test.sh to check the test coverage. %41. Oh, still we have to cover some test cases. The 10 test cases is getting failed. Not failed. It means like we didn't touch that part. Okay, we didn't touch. Only 7 test cases is getting passed. 10 is still pending. Okay, 10 is still pending. I'm not sure like which 10 are still pending. Check which 10 are still pending. Okay, I'm also not sure. Time is also like passing. It's around 9 minutes to complete the test. See, like we have followed all the test cases, right? We have followed all the test cases, but still like they are saying like 10 test cases is not touched yet. We have to figure out like which test cases is not there. But yeah, I know like you already know this part. Okay, so how to write, as of now, like you know like how to write this test case in the Nightwatch as well. So yeah, let's see first like if we can find anything. If not, then yeah, we will bind up this lecture. But yeah, let's try to get something. Okay, so what I did now, I just changed this value. Okay, I have given this dot sr dot strict equals. So if you see in above, uh, like assertion, what we have written, this dot sr dot okay. So instead of okay, we will give strict equals, and then this double comparison we will delete, and then just give comma. Okay, let's try this one. So you can see 47% is passed. Again, we will run it to check the test coverage yet. Okay, 47%. Now it is saying 47% passed. Yet to cover 57% more. Total checks are 17, in which 8 are passed and 9 still we are failed checks. So I'm not sure like what they are asking us to do more, but yeah, these things which I did. So I'm just creating a video so to help you to know like how to get this part. Okay. So here one more changes I will do. We have given this one. No? We have given this one, right? So the same command I will give here after refresh also, because once we refresh, so we have to give like all the element are visible now. Let's try again. So see, like we have written the code what they have asked, right? But there are some hidden test cases which we already don't know. Okay? So just we have to analyze. Like see, I have given this one, but still the test coverage 47% only. So I'm also not sure like what we are missing here. Anything they have asked about the date and all. Conversion, this I'm not sure to this one. Nothing from the date, right? I think they are asking for multi. Like in Selenium, they have given some, like we have to print the previous date and all, but here I can't see any date related test cases. Assertive. Uh, yeah, so I hope like this is clear to you, like how to appraise for the night watch. You can try from your end, okay? The code is 79561. Okay, it's basic Selenium prerequisite only. So just try to give from your end also, and if you find anything more, and if you cover more than this one, please let me know also. Okay, so definitely there will be a chance to learn from you as well. So just let me know if you pass greater than this 47%. So I also get a chance to learn from you. Okay, so I hope this is fine. So that's all in this video, guys. We'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.